Welcome back to another episode of AY Network, where we dive into the latest news, trends, and insights in the world of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and the financial markets. Today's episode is all about the ongoing battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and what it means for XRP's future, particularly in terms of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. So, let's set the stage. For those of you who may not be familiar with the case, Ripple Labs, the company behind the cryptocurrency XRP, has been involved in a legal battle with the SEC that has been unfolding since December 2020. The SEC accuses Ripple of conducting an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP to investors. Ripple, on the other hand, maintains that XRP is a currency, not a security, and that it should not be classified as such under U.S. securities laws. This case is incredibly important, not just for Ripple, but for the entire cryptocurrency space. The outcome could set a precedent for how other digital assets are regulated, and it could also influence the availability of XRP in mainstream financial products like ETFs. Now let's focus on the ETF side of things. Recently, we've seen some significant movement in the space, especially when it comes to XRP's potential inclusion in exchange-traded funds. ETFs have been one of the main ways traditional investors gain exposure to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but XRP has been notably absent from such products due to this ongoing legal uncertainty. But here's the thing. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has recently acknowledged filings for XRP-based ETFs. Yes, you heard that right. This acknowledgement by the SEC has initiated a review process for applications from major entities like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and Grayscale, who are looking to launch XRP ETFs. This is huge. While the SEC has only acknowledged the filings, it's a big step forward. The acknowledgement means that the regulators are at least starting to engage with the idea of XRP as a tradable asset within ETFs. Now, we're looking at a lengthy review process that could take months, sometimes even over a year, but this is a pivotal moment for XRP's inclusion in ETFs. To break it down further, an ETF is a financial product that allows investors to buy into an asset without actually owning the asset itself. They can be used for a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and yes, cryptocurrencies. For institutional investors, ETFs are seen as a safer and more regulated way to gain exposure to these assets. But what about the market? Well, the reaction from the XRP community and investors has been strong. Following the news of the SEC's acknowledgement of XRP ETF filings, XRP's price surged by more than 7.5%. This is a clear sign that investors are betting on the idea that an XRP ETF could be approved, which would bring a flood of institutional investment into the cryptocurrency. And it's not just about XRP's price either. The broader crypto market is watching closely. If XRP, a cryptocurrency that has faced regulatory challenges, is able to secure an ETF, it could be a game changer for the entire space. It would provide a clear path for other cryptocurrencies to follow in the future. But what about the legal case itself? There's more to this story. Legal experts, including attorney Fred Rispoli, have suggested that Ripple could settle the case soon, potentially with a $125 million fine. A settlement like this would bring clarity to the regulatory status of XRP and could immediately pave the way for Ripple to continue its operations in the US. And remember, Ripple's legal strategy has always been about proving that XRP is not a security. They've been fighting for months to clear up any confusion in the market. If Ripple wins or even settles in a way that doesn't damage its business, it could send shockwaves through the crypto market, providing a blueprint for how other crypto companies can navigate regulatory hurdles. But let's talk about the implications. What happens if Ripple wins this battle? Well, if XRP is ultimately recognized as a non-security, it could be included in ETFs, which would open up new investment avenues. This would also likely increase demand for XRP, pushing its price and market cap to new heights. And the ripple effect, no pun intended, would be felt across the crypto market. Other cryptocurrencies could find it easier to get approved for ETFs, leading to wider adoption and recognition in the financial world. More institutional players could enter the market, and the mainstream acceptance of digital assets would move that much closer to becoming a reality. But here's the kicker. While all of this sounds positive, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We still have to see how the SEC reacts, whether Ripple can get the legal victory it's hoping for, and how long the ETF approval process will take. There's still uncertainty in the air, but these recent developments signal that things could be shifting in Ripple's favor. So, what does this mean for you, the listener? Well, if you're an XRP investor, or if you're just following the developments in the crypto space, now is the time to stay tuned. This case and these ETF filings will play a huge role in shaping the future of Ripple and the broader crypto market. We'll continue to monitor the situation closely and bring you updates as they happen. In the meantime, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to AY Network for more insights, analysis, and discussions on the latest in cryptocurrency and blockchain. And that wraps up today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, the world of cryptocurrency is always evolving, and we'll be right here to guide you through it. Stay informed, stay ahead, and we'll catch you on the next episode of AY Network.